Favorite buka puasa food, saya suka roti john dan juga nasi lemak Sungai Petani, nasi lemak utara. Kat Taman Tun ada. Yang wajib ada untuk saya berbuka puasa is cawan teh panas, nasi, putu piring. That's my favorite. I think tu yang punya pembuka selera.
Bila kita puasa kan banyak kita nak makan, tapi I rasa kalau macam dessert murtabak, kalau macam yang berat sikit nasi Arab kot. I boleh makan banyak nasi Arab. Tapi janganlah makan banyak
Menu wajib I rasa murtabak cheese. Kena ada.
Okay, every buka puasa I will definitely have my soya bean because it's a tradition for my family because of my late brother. He loves to have soya bean and then we will always buy it for him, and then it's been like a routine for all of us to have soya bean during buka puasa.